Poxvirus is an enveloped, double-stranded, linear DNA virus that is in fact the largest DNA virus that has been identified. And there are 3 different viruses that belong to this family, and these include the smallpox, which has been eradicated, and there is only 1 lab in the United States and 1 lab in Russia that contains the smallpox, and thus there is still the risk of the bioterrorism. And then smallpox, the vesicular lesions that present in these patients are all having the same age, versus chickenpox where the lesions are at different stages of healing. The next virus is vaccinia, which causes cowpox, also known as milk maize blisters, and finally molluscum contagiosum, which causes flesh-colored dome lesions with a central dimple. And then one unique characteristic of pox viruses is that despite these are DNA viruses, they're replicating inside the cytoplasm. So generally DNA viruses replicate in the nucleus, while RNA viruses replicate in the cytoplasm. The only exceptions to these rules are pox viruses, which are DNA viruses that replicate in the cytoplasm, retroviruses like HIV, which are RNA viruses that replicate in the nucleus, and finally orthomyxoviruses like influenza, which is an RNA virus that replicates both in the cytoplasm and the nucleus. And the way I memorize it is that orthomyxoviruses replicate in a mix of cytoplasm and the nucleus. And that concludes our discussion.